Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to buy Dextra Network on Coinbase Wallet. First, download the Coinbase Wallet app from your App Store. Once installed, open the application and follow the prompts to either create a new wallet or import an existing one. Remember to write down your 12-word recovery phrase and keep it in a very secure, private place. This phrase is crucial for accessing your funds if you ever lose your device. Next, you'll need to fund your Coinbase wallet with a cryptocurrency like Ethereum. You can transfer Ethereum from another exchange or purchase it directly within the Coinbase Wallet app using a debit card or bank account. Make sure you have sufficient funds to cover the amount you wish to spend on Dextra Network, plus a small amount for transaction fees, often called gas fees. Now, open the D-app browser within your Coinbase wallet. This browser allows you to interact with decentralized applications. Type in the URL for a decentralized exchange like Uniswap, which is a common platform for trading many tokens. Once on the DEX, look for the Connect Wallet button and select Coinbase Wallet to link your account securely. Finally, on the decentralized exchange, search for Dextra Network. You might need its contract address if it's a newer token. Select the cryptocurrency you want to swap from, like Ethereum, and enter the amount. The DEX will show you how many Dextra Network tokens you will receive. Review all the transaction details carefully, then confirm the swap within your Coinbase wallet to complete your purchase.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.